Dolmex Company has over 31 years of experience in exporting globally to the garment industry. Within this space, 1,309 dedicated staff working on to provide the highest quality standard. Fabric Warehouse. Establishing a strategic storage location is essential to maintaining a well-organized and equipped fabric inventory system. All incoming fabrics are stored in individual shelf storage units, which are regularly updated into a computerized system. Fabric inspection. To ensure that only quality fabric is used, our factory takes precautionary measures and implements standard procedures for the fabric inspection process. Part of that process is inspecting for fabric color. We inspect about 30% of a given lot samples. For the visual assessment of colors, all inspected fabric rolls will be checked against approved dye lot colors using the grayscale under ISO 105 A02 A03 standards. The color inspection is done in a light box under D65 daylight measurements conforming to international standards. Recording of color shading between and within the rolls have to be inspected from left, middle, and right side of each fabric roll. QA will prepare continuity dye lot for each roll inspected. 100% printing panel inspection against approved artwork. All defects found such as print placement, color matching, print overlapping, or shade variations has to replace through reprinting to our print suppliers. Our standardized 30% inspection of all fabric we receive has to be evaluated based upon the 4-point system. The 4-point system assigns 1 to 4 penalty points according to the size, quality, and significance of defect. All past fabric inspections are stored and are ready to release to the cutting department. Fabric defects are carefully inspected, classified, and sorted out. Accessories Warehouse. Establishing a strategic storage location is essential to maintaining a well-organized and equipped accessory inventory system. All incoming accessories are stored properly, which are regularly updated into a computerized system. Trims and accessories quality inspection are very important to make full quality garments. 30% standardized quality inspection are applied. If a random inspection fails, then a 100% re-inspection needs to be implemented. We are using new technology for metal detection by using a single-gate needle detector NCA machine made in Japan that can be also used for non-metal detection. Standardized every 1.00 mm is detected. Annual calibration by our suppliers is conducted to ensure that the quality standard of our MD machine are met. Daily calibration procedures are implemented on a regular basis as well. Fabric relaxation. This procedure is established to maintain the dimensional stability of the fabric. Minimum time of 24 hours is allowed for standard time or may vary to buyer's recommendation. Fabric laying and spreading. This is a preparatory operation for cutting, consisting of laying piles of cloth on top of each other in predetermined directions. There are two methods of spreading fabric. One is manual method, automatic spreading machines. Cutting. Cutting is the process which cuts out the pattern pieces from specified fabrics for making the garments. This involves two methods. Manual cutting. Cutting is controlled by operator, which is done accurately as per exact dimension of the pattern. Cutting accuracy depends on the sharpness of the blade, skillness of the operator, and attentiveness of the operator. QA in charge in cutting will inspect and cut bundled pieces to ensure it will follow the pattern requirements. Automatic cutting. Computerized controlled cutting with self-cutting accuracy, such as electronic cutting system. All programs are loaded into the computer, which performs all the activities. The cut fabrics are sorted according to size of the fabric, then all panels are stored in preparation for bundling and numbering. Fusing is an alternative method of joining fabric using our straight linear fusing machine, which is widely used to attach the interlining. It is controlled by 4 processing components such as temperature, time, pressure, and cooling. The coating of the interlining is melted by heating the fabric under pressure, which becomes cool and hard. Both fabric and interlining are strongly attached. Supplier recommendations can be used as a reference for the condition of bulk production, which is maintained by the QA technician by calibrating the machine every 2 hours using thermocouple, and the recording of results are documented. Embroidery. It is a process of programming the software of a certain artwork that accurately assists in converting the electronic artwork into a system of stitches that the embroidery machine can read. Before sewing begins, the specific thread colors and fabric must be loaded into the machine. Daily reports, records, and 100% quality inspection are implemented. Heat transfer. Heat transfer application is applied based on 3 major factors: time, pressure, and temperature. Supplier transfer specification can be used as reference and can be adjusted based upon the final outcome of the heat transfer. QA technicians will maintain calibration of temperature using digital thermometers every 2 hours. Laser cut is a method used to cut materials with extreme accuracy, which can create intricate designs and highly detailed cuts from which it follows the pattern drawn on the screen. During production, we have implemented safety measures for the protection of our workers. Production manufacturing process. As part of our commitment in providing quality standards for our customers, we have skilled staff who are experienced in performing all aspects of the garment manufacturing process, from sample development, material merchandising, and to the finishing of the garment apparel, exporting globally to the worldwide market. This is a result of our commitment to excellence in quality, consistency, and innovation. Domix invested in some of the manufacturing equipment, which help us to meet our production target schedules. Some of the machines are as follows. Automatic welt pocket machine. This machine supports the sewing of the straight pockets with flaps on suits, jackets, and pants. This machine is developed in pursuit of simple operation and ease of use to fully support the operator for easy handling of the materials. Seam-sealed machine. This machine helps to provide fast, simple, and reliable methods for the application of the seam-sealed tape over sewn seam or glue to create waterproof products. The tapes are applied as an adhesive bond between the 2 pieces of fabric to stop the moisture and liquids from getting through. Sewing is the most important department of our production process, in which our sewing machines of different types are arranged as a vertical line to assemble sequences of operations. Inline inspection. During the pre-production process, our quality control system is implemented in order to achieve standard expectation. This includes inspection of garment workmanship and measurement. Every defect is described within the standardized coding system, and all critical operations found during the inspection are reported to the productions. Snap button attachment. We have machines to provide snap button attachments following technical document requirements to ensure snaps are properly secured. All operators are trained and familiarized with safety procedures during operations. Bar-tack. The bar-tack machine is used where the garments in high pressure such as belt loop, pocket corner, at the end of the zipper, and in the place where more strength is required to support the load. Adding a bar-tack will reinforce areas of stress on garments. Several finishing processes are done, such as cutting extra loose threads and checking for stains for cleaning to enhance the appearance of finished garments. Pressing. After sewing, garments are treated with steam ironing or normally ironed, pressed to remove unwanted creases, to impart a flat appearance to the garments, and to improve the smoothness so that the garment will look more presentable. End-line inspection. As part of the essential principle of quality management, which conforms with quality criteria such as workmanship, measurement, and identifying defects, which are described with a standardized coding system. It is important to sort out rejections during the inspection process. Needle control. The needle is replaced only when needed in exchange for damaged needle parts. All broken needles must be taped to a broken needle report. Recording of needle issues are updated regularly. Packing department. This is the final section of the production process, which plays an important role to ensure the best final appearance of the product that can be achieved. Garments are folded properly according to the instruction of the buyer. All packing instructions are approved by the QA department, in which they evaluate technical documents in order to assure they follow certain standards per destination. After folding, garments are packed accordingly. The garment is checked for correct labeling, hand tag, positions, barcode sticker, price sticker, and carton marking. Sorting out of garments according to size and color must be done. Metal detection. Product protection is one of the many essential quality assurance requirements of our company. Metal detection of finished garments is one of the vital functions that ensures all products are safe and free from metal contaminants. Contaminated garments will be kept in a locked box, and only designated personnel have the key to check failed garments. Double gate conveyor NCA machine and handheld detection made in Japan is used with a standard level of FE 1.00 mm. As part of our daily operation, calibration is done using a 9-point system, conducted every 2 hours. Annual calibration by our supplier is conducted to ensure that the quality standard of our MD machines are met. All packed and sealed garments have to pass metal detection one at a time, and cartons must be sealed. In case that the garments are removed from the cartons, the whole batch has to be detected again. All garments which have passed metal detection will immediately sent to the warehouse. Downroom. Our company is equipped with 6 feather filling machines which are used in down jacket productions. During production, we have implemented safety measures for the protection of our workers. Quality checking such as down weight control and metal detection per panel are implemented and recorded on a daily basis. Washing facilities. We have established washing facilities in order to meet certain buyer requirements for washing of garments which need certain wash look appearances. Some of the washing technique procedures such as stone wash, enzyme wash, softener wash, and clean wash are conducted at our available facilities. Our company is equipped with 8 washers, 1 boiler, and 10 dryers. Testing laboratory. As part of our quality standard measures, we have established a small laboratory to provide support for some testing programs from our buyer based on our available facilities in the laboratory. We have advanced testing equipment such as Lightbox, which is annually calibrated by a third party, Wascator washing machines, and Roches Fryers machine, which conform to ISO standards. Laboratory technicians are trained and acquire support from an independent testing partner such as SGS.